Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. Kindness begins with us, but it doesn't end with us. It has a way of growing quietly and gently when we give it space. So, journey with me today. Notice where you're sitting or lying down, and allow yourself to be supported. If it feels comfortable, gently close your eyes, or simply soften your gaze. Take a slow breath in through your nose and gently breathe out. Again, breathing in and slowly breathing out, allowing your body to settle. Now gently bring your awareness to the places where your body meets the world around you. Notice your feet. Perhaps they're resting on the floor. Simply notice them. The backs of your legs, your bottom, your hips, your back, your shoulders, and your hands. Notice that you don't have to hold yourself up right now. You are being supported. You're allowed to receive that support. Take another slow breath in, and as you breathe out, allow yourself to soften into this space. I want you to breathe in through your nose, and as you breathe out, I want you to imagine the air flowing all the way down to your toes. And again, breathing in through your nose, imagine the air coming from your belly to your chest, rib cage, heart, throat, up to your mind. And as you breathe out, all the way down to your toes. Give yourself the gift of breath, connecting our heart and body and mind as one. Let kindness start here with something as simple as breath. Imagine offering yourself a little of the kindness you would offer someone you deeply care about. Bring your awareness gently towards yourself. We've connected our mind, body, and breath. And now simply you, exactly as you are today. Repeat with me in your mind or out loud as we offer ourselves loving kindness. May I be gentle with myself. May I feel safe and supported and loved. May I have the strength to meet whatever comes. May I be at peace with where I am today. May I give myself permission to rest. May I meet myself with kindness. Take a slow, gentle breath in, and as you breathe out, allow those words to settle somewhere within you. Now, if it feels comfortable, bring someone to mind who you care about deeply. Someone close, a family member, a friend. Allow their presence to come to mind. And notice what happens when you think of them. Perhaps a warmth, perhaps you smile, or perhaps just a simple, quiet sense of connection. Take a slow breath in, And as you breathe out, imagine sending them a little of that warmth. And as we repeat loving kindness to this person, may life be gentle with you. May you be safe. May you be at peace. May you feel loved and supported. May you have the strength to meet life where you are. May you meet yourself with kindness. And for a few moments, simply rest with that feeling. Just allow yourself to wish them well. And notice how beautiful it can be to offer kindness without expecting or wanting anything in return. Let's gently allow our awareness to widen beyond ourselves, beyond the person we've held in our thoughts. Bring to mind someone you may not know personally, perhaps a person you passed in the street or you noticed briefly, or someone somewhere in this world living their own life, carrying their own hopes, their own worries, their own story. And just recognize that, like you, moments when they might need a little kindness too. And let's quietly offer them these words. May life be gentle to you. May you be safe. May you find peace. May you feel supported and loved. May there be moments of lightness in your day. May you be treated with kindness. Take a slow breath in and breathe out. Allow the simple wish for another person's well-being to rest gently within you. Kindness doesn't need to be big. Sometimes simply it's a quiet wish that someone somewhere is okay. Now we're going to allow that feeling of kindness to become a little wider. We don't need to choose anyone in particular. We just want to simply imagine that the warmth we've created here can extend all over the world. The people you know, you don't know, to people having a beautiful day, to those who may be finding it difficult today. We're all carrying something. We're all learning and growing and finding our way through life. And perhaps for a simple moment, we can offer these same simple wishes to everyone in the world. May we be safe. May we find peace. May we have the strength we need. May we be gentle with ourselves and with one another. May we experience moments of ease, moments of connection, and moments of joy. Take a slow breath in and breathe out, letting this feeling of kindness become soft and spacious. A quiet wish for well-being, for ourselves, for the people closest to us, for somebody in the world that we don't know, and for the whole world around us, to receive our kindness. And so it be. Beautiful souls, whenever you're ready, start to gently bring your awareness back to yourself. Notice your breath and your body, the quiet feeling you've created. Perhaps you could start to move your fingers, your toes, your wrists. Perhaps sway side to side a little. Move your head up and down. And whenever you're ready, blink open your eyes. Remember, kindness begins with us, but it doesn't end with us. It's a way of growing. It has a way of growing quietly and gently when we give it space. So be kind to yourself today and take the journey of being kind to others. And if you got this far in the meditation, leave me a word in the comments about how you're feeling. Maybe it's warm, connected, softer, lighter, peaceful. Let me know. I'd love to read them. And I will see you in the next one. Namaste, beautiful soul.